Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up direct deposit on Uber Eats. Step 1 is to open the Uber driver app. Make sure you're logged into your delivery account. And then step 2 is to go to your wallet. Tap the three-line icon into the top left corner and then select on wallet from the menu options. And then add or edit your bank informations. Under the payment method, tap add bank account and enter your bank account number, bank routing, and account type. And then tap save. Step 4 is to wait for weekly deposit. Uber processes direct deposits weekly. You usually see your earnings in your account by Tuesday. Delays may happen due to the bank holidays or processing times. If your bank info is incorrect, your payment may be delayed until the following Monday. Always double check your bank details before saving and still no deposit after 48 hours. Just simply go to the help section into the driver app to report the issue. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.